Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to 15M Finance. It's John here again, and today I'm going to be going over the bull run of AstraZeneca and just provide you with an update. And we're going to take a look at if it's a good time to buy or is it just too late. So before I continue, I want to tell you that this is not financial advice and this video is for educational purposes only. This is how I pick my stocks, and you can use the information here. But if you want personalized advice, you actually have to go to a licensed professional. So now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump straight in. If you look at the AstraZeneca bull run year to date, it's up 20.66%. So that's pretty good, I would say. And has it reached an all time high? Let's take a look. So from this 5-year chart, the all-time high is 86, and today it's at 77.96. So it's getting there. So how would I judge this situation? Honestly, for me to buy a stock, I have to see a 20 to 30% upside, especially a medium term upside, and now that 20% is gone. So long story short, you will probably not buy this stock. But if you want to take a risk and hope that it goes all the way up to 110, you can absolutely go for it. But it's always good to look at some stocks and examples that take off and learn from those. So in this video, we're going to learn, and I will show you exactly how I do it on TradingView, and then we'll talk about my course that I'm giving away for absolutely free, and it will help you do the same thing. So now that we're on the chart, we have our indicator here, the 15M5 indicator, and this basically combined with our calculations is going to tell you if this is a good buy or not. So the way it works, the way I do it is I look at the stock and I see where the clouds are going, right? So in this case, it's got two bull clouds and one, um, one uh, bear cloud. So ultimately, you want the stock to be in a full bull run. You want all three clouds to be bull, but how do you judge if it's a good entry point or not? And that's something that I teach you in the course. So as you can see, I've drawn the line here. This was my um, estimated bottom, and honestly, I actually bought in a little bit early because I was just like, okay, well, let me just buy it before I miss the opportunity. But because you can never really time the bottom. So I actually bought it around 65, and now it's, all the way up to um, 77. So, and then I bought in some here as well. So my average is about, a 13%. And if you look at AstraZeneca's 1 year performance, it's at 20. So I've missed a little bit of it, but not a whole lot. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look. Um, Obviously, it's following the chart to the T. I drew this about 3 weeks ago, and it's working out really well. I want to also show you an example of another chart that I did, and it's not going according to plan because again, you can never really perfectly time them. Um, so as you can see that I charted this about 3 weeks ago, and so far it's looking amazing, but it's not going according to plan. So there are two scenarios here. One is that it will break out here, so it'll zigzag a little bit more and then it'll go up. Or the second scenario is that it's going to trade sideways for a while, and when things settle down in May or June and the tariffs and the market looks good, it's just going to go upwards like that. Um, so on a stock like this, it's very consistent, right? So we're seeing this scenario that played out here, I believe, right there. So it was about to go into bull run, but then it dropped down further and it went up. So looks like this scenario is very similar to here. But then again, these are stocks and you can't really fully predict every single path all the time. You can only make your um, guesses and calculate and take calculated risks. And that's basically what we're doing here. But anyway, let's go ahead and go back to AstraZeneca. Okay, so AstraZeneca is very predictable. It practically does the same thing almost every year, year after year. One big dip, one small dip, one small dip, one big dip, small dip, big dip. And now, we've already had the big dip, so it's just going to go all the way up as much as it can, maybe even at 85. It'll match this level here, I would say, right there. And then it could go downward. So, but even if you bought it at 60, 65, or 63, or even 69 for that matter, um, and you gain 87, let's go ahead and see how much it is. So you still made 26%. That's not bad at all. And if it hits, 90, then you made 40. So, you know, just decide how much you're going to be happy with. Never really get too greedy. Just manage your expectations. This is not a stock that's going to pay you a lot of money. Um, you are not going to become a billionaire. You're just trying to get your 20, 30%, and that's it. End of story. So there are other stocks that will make you a lot of money, but this is not the video for it. That's like Jasper, and I'll link the video somewhere up here so you guys can watch that 600% gain or 1000% gain, whatever you're comfortable, right? So actually, I'll show it to you right now. JSPR. Okay. So here we go. This is my estimate for Jasper. I charted this a few weeks back. I have 100 of these, and I bought them right here at like 550. So if you're looking for 1000% stock, here you go. This is for you. So buy it and wait it out, and hope that it's going to go to 1,237%. And I do feel that this is going to happen. In the short term, that's just not possible. So let's say by July you get like at least 300%, or then sometime in November you get your 900, and then you get your 1000. Just really depends on your patience and risk tolerance. uh, in my case, I'll probably be happy with just 20, like 300%. I'm more than happy with it. So that's how it goes. Okay, guys, I promise you, if you've made this far, I've promised you that I was going to show you how to get my course for free. And what I do is I teach people that do not want businesses, or just want to work but also want their money working for them more efficiently. So I've created this course called Layoff Proof. What it teaches you all the basics that you've seen in this video, step by step. And you can even go check us out on Trustpilot. And if you want this course for free, all you have to do is sign up just like this. Just hit I'm ready to be laid off, or just buy for $4.99. Enter the code test group, okay, and hit that apply button, and you should be able to good to go. You'll get a 0. I'll even show you that it works. Test at test.com. Hit the continue button, put your name, test, put your password. Let's go ahead and do this, and then create account. No, I don't want to save this. Go ahead and hit the accept button, get it now. And if you want to, get my coaching, work with me, just hit the accept offer. If not, just hit no thanks. And that should take you to your free checkout. And there you go. Now you have access to the course. It is as simple as that. And you can go ahead and look at the course and look at all these lessons that I've made for you. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments below. Hit that like, subscribe button so I can make more videos like this. It helps me out a lot. Until next time, guys, peace.